Hey guys, welcome once again to Home Workouts by Coach Remmy. This is a perfect workout you can follow along at home if you have a barbell squats, standing shoulder press, overhead shoulder press, and then we do the core. For the core, we will do double crunches, and then we follow up with burpees, and then we rest, and that is one round. So you do as much round as you can without compromising the shape, so you have to listen to your body. So this is a good workout to work the lower, the core, the shoulders, and so tell me what you think about a workout like this. If you do enjoy it, give it a thumbs up and share with one or two friends. So we're going to start with the squat. Take the bar, 7 rounds. Each time you aim for 7 to 12 reps. And the next one, we are going to overhead shoulder press. So to be efficient, I will wait like this, and then when it's almost time, I go through the knees, and then I press up, and now I have it. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Beautiful. Now, double crunches. Let's wait for it. Let's go. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2. Beautiful. No compromising the form. Next one, burpees after the break. Yes, let's go. 12 burpees, guys. First round. I forgot to count. Beautiful. Now we rest 30 seconds, and then we go again for another round. This is the round for the rest. Alright, after this, get ready for the squats. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, Beautiful. Overhead, shoulder press. Get ready. Let's go. Push your chest to the front. Enough. This is quite heavy for my shoulders, and the bar looked like it was a bit crooked. Now we're going to double crunches again. Let's go. Start from here. Go tight, always under tension. Burpees. Ooh. The burpee is one of the magical exercises you can do for any type of workout. Let's go. We aim to finish the timer. Don't count because the break is coming up. Woo. Beautiful, guys. The heart is beating fast. So now we're going to the squat again. After the break, we're almost there. Remember, you can do as many rounds as time available to you. Okay. Start preparing yourself. Yes. Let's go. The shoulders is going to be heavy. I'll just aim for 7. Okay, go through the knees, soft knees. Explode. Let's go. 5. I'll stop there. Let's go for the core. Ooh. So the key is to always feel like you've done all you can. Push as much as you can. Let's go. Ooh. 2, 3, 4, 5. burpees. I did a bit more. Let's finish strong. We're almost there. Ooh, we finished the 30 seconds timer. Let's go. Actually, the burpees also work the shoulders. So this is heavy on the shoulder, this workout. Ten seconds, guys. Just 10 minutes. For me, I have another workout this evening. So if you enjoy this workout, give it a thumbs up and share with 1 or 2 people. Oh, what a way to work out. Thank you for choosing to spend your time with me. As always, see you in the next workout.